Hello viewers, this is my third generation Lakewood box fan. I got this from a neighbor. I traded him an Air King box fan for this one. He used it as a garage fan, so it was pretty dirty and banged up when I got it. But, you know, overall it's in pretty decent condition for being used and abused for many years. Only one broken slat. And the bearings on this thing are amazing. Which is, I don't know. I love these motors. They're awesome. So, let's see. The information on the bottom is right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's not the end of the world if you don't get to read it. And then this is for the information on the back of the motor. See if I can get it this time. Okay, maybe not. Okay. That's as best as I can get it. Can't read it. I guess rewind the video. Anyway, so I use this. It sits in their foyer during the summer, and then I use it during the winter in my room. And that's because in the summer, it helps move the air conditioning around. Gets kind of warm over there. And then in the winter, I use it in my room to move the air from the heater around. Because my room gets really cold. So, yeah, I've used it a little bit. There's a little bit of dust on there. You can't really see it because there's not that much. But it runs very nicely, and I guess that's all there is to say. So let's start up on the low. This is the speed that it runs on in the foyer. You know, very quiet, but it moves a gentle breeze, which is what I would want in that area. So it's perfect. I know that the first and second generation blades are definitely more powerful than the third generation, but the third generation has always been they've always been my favorite blades. I like the way they look as far as look goes. This is one of my favorite box fans. Okay, medium. Still pretty quiet. Moves a good amount of air. Good difference between the speeds, as all of these motors did have. And then high. And this thing, as I said, has a great spin down. So yeah, let's see that now. Okay, and startup sound. Startup sound for the low speed. Okay, startup sound for medium. That was my finger spinning the blades, getting the blades to stop. Okay, and high. Okay. So that's it for my Lakewood box fan. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching. I guess we'll let it spin down again. Okay, thanks for watching.